definite integrals and u substitution. So when you do a definite integral with u substitution and you are given a problem like this, normally at the end, after you sub in u and find the antiderivative, you would plug the original value for u back in. But in these, you plug the a and b values into u to get new values. So essentially, u is equal to 3x plus 1. Now, du is equal to 3dx, and dx is equal to du over 3, as usual. But we need u of 5 and u of 1 to be our new a and b values. So, which is going to equal to 3 times 5 plus 1, which is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1. This is going to 15, 16. This is 4. So, since we have that, now we plug back into our integral, which is the integral from 4 to 16 now of 1 over the square root of u times du over 3. So now this is going to be equal to 1/3 times the integral of u to the negative 1/2. Now this integral is going to be equal to 1/3 divide by, or add 1, which is positive 1/2, divide by 1/2, which is times 2, u to the 1/2, and we evaluate it at 4 and 16. So this is 1/3 times 2. Actually, we can move that 2 out. That would be a little bit easier. 2/3 times the square root of 16 minus the square root of 4. Now this is going to equal 2/3 times that would be 4, that would be 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2/3 times 2, which is equal to 4/3. Now, this also works with trig functions. So for example, if we do the integral from, let's say, 0 to 2 pi, and I'll just do pi over 2, or 0 to pi of sine of 2x, of 2 times sine of 2x dx. Now u is going to be equal to 2x, and du is going to be equal, du is going to be equal to 2 dx, and then dx is going to be equal to du over 2. Now, with this, all we need to do is find our new boundaries. So since u is equal to 2x, we do 2 times pi and 2 times 0. We plug that into our u's, which is equal to 2 pi equal to 0. And now we can plug in all these values. So from 0 to 2 pi of 2 sine of u du over 2, which is equal to 2 pi 0 of sine of u du. Now, when we evaluate this, this is negative cosine of u, evaluate it at 0 and 2 pi. And cosine of 0 negative times cosine of 2 pi minus cosine of 0. Both these are just negative 1 minus 1, which is just 0. And that is how you do u substitution when the integrals are definite.